everyone for joining us today in this turnover ceremony. Sad to say na hindi ko kasama ngayon yung wife ko and my kids because our eldest daughter is in the hospital. I rushed her to the hospital last night because of continuous vomiting. So, ayaw namin mauwi pa sa dehydration. So, we decided to ayun, itakbo na lang namin sa hospital. Well, anyway, hindi na rin naman namin gusto patagalin pa yung mag-turnover. So, thank you pa rin sa effort na pagpunta dito for this turnover ceremony. And congrats sa ating lahat na nag-effort para matapos yung project. Thank you everyone.
1, 2, 3! Congratulations! Turnover!